Look what I have! It's so tiny and cute. Let's review it. Greetings everyone, Eric here and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the Huion Kamvas Pro 12. I've been wanting to try out some of these like smaller tablets for a little while. I've tried out I think a 10-inch tablet in the past. I think that was from PNBoo. But I wanted to try some of the stuff from Huion, the Kamvas series. Okay, some of the specs for this thing, and I have the Amazon page open just so I can get these specs correctly. So yeah, this is a 11.6 inch display, and that's from corner to corner, so about a 12 inch. It's got a battery-free pen, which I actually really like. This pen's really nice. It has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the pen does. And yeah, it's got tilt functionality, which is pretty cool. I haven't actually got... I rarely ever test that out. And I don't know why. I should. But, yeah, it's got the tilt functionality, which is pretty cool. It's got a fully laminated screen, which is really nice. That means there's, like, really no parallaxing, which is so good. One downside, this thing does not come with a stand. So you basically just get the tablet, you get the power connector, you get the pen holder, and then you get their cool little 3-in-1 cable. Which is actually USB Type-C, which is right here on the side. It connects through USB Type-C. It's got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons and a touchpad, so it's got the little slider pad, and you can use that for either, well, you can use it for brush size, zoom, all that kind of stuff. Power on top. I think this bottom one is power as well. I think it's for when you have it in left-handed mode, so your power's still at the top. I don't know. Like, the drivers didn't really show anything. But, yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little showcase and review of this. Okay, the review's simple. It's really good. It's very small. If you're not used to the smaller tablets, it might seem a little weird. It just takes a quick little, like... All I had to do was, like, 2 or 3 drawings, and I was pretty much used to it. It's great for conserving space. The USB Type-C is really good for quick connecting to a laptop or something. I do wish, however, for power, they should have included in that 3-in-1, that 3-in-1 should have had a USB for power, one of the red ones. Because if you're a laptop user, it'd be really nice if you had a USB Type 3 or USB 3.0 or higher that actually outputs a good amount of power. This would be great for portability. So I think they dropped the ball on that. However, I think maybe the 13 can go a little... I think the 13 has the extra one. I don't know. I want to review that as well. I also want to review some of their newer ones. But anyway, I'm digressing. All you guys care about is how does it work and how well does it work? So we're just going to go to me doing a quick little drawing of Batman's head, so you can see it in action. And then we'll come back afterwards and I'll just give a couple final thoughts. So let's watch me drawing the Batman. Okay, so final thoughts on this thing after using it. I've done like 4 drawings with it. For some reason, the other ones got like corrupted or something. I couldn't save them. But thankfully, the Batman one, even though I had a little bit of a crash, Clip Studio had kind of given me a temp save. But anyway, after drawing a few with this thing, I really do like it. It definitely took a little bit to get used to the 12-inch screen display. I feel like 13 inches, the 13-inch displays are about as small as I would go for display tablets. And that's just a personal thing because I started on a 13-inch Wacom back in the day when I first got into doing art on these display tablets. But after using it for a little while, and especially the amount of space that I save on my desk, I would have no problem daily driving this thing, honestly. Again, it would just take a little getting used to, especially with the resolution, because it is full 1080p. It's got the, the exact type of monitor. In fact, I think it's what, IPS, I believe. It's got the full 120% RGB, sRGB color gamut. I don't know what type of display it. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, so it is an IPS display, so it's exactly what you want for doing art. But yeah, I think I would prefer the 13 if I could get the 13. So if I get the 13 Pro, I'll do a video on that as well, just to kind of compare it to this size and kind of give you my thoughts on that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video. I know it was very sporadic and very quick pace, but with some of these reviews, I don't like spending too much time on like super nitty-gritty technical stuff because I feel like it doesn't really matter. Like, all these tablets are so good. All like Huion, Oogie, Pianbu, XP Pen, all these off-brands are producing such great quality that I just want you to see it in action. I'm an artist, so I want you to get my perspective on things. You can easily find all the specs. If there's a specific spec that you're looking for, I would highly suggest you go down the link in the description to check out the Amazon page. And it's only like $220. There's actually a coupon right now to get it $35 off, so check that, see if that's still available. But yeah, use my link in the description and you can pick it up for a very good amount of price. And it's great for starters. If you're a starting person, get this thing. It's great to kind of get yourself started on doing display tablets and kind of dipping your feet in the water. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it that thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. If you have any suggestions of things you would like me to draw, tutorials you would like, products you would like me to review, anything like that, leave them in the comments section below. And leave a comment on what was your first, like if you've gotten into display tablets before or graphics tablets in general, what was your first digital tablet that you got to use for drawing? I would love to know what your experience was with the first thing. But anyway, check the description. Link to this product, link to my t-shirts, links to Patreon. There should be a Twitch link as well because I do streaming on Twitch. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, everyone.